Hello everyone, welcome you all. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's begin this session. Cloud computing concepts. Initially, what is cloud? The term cloud refers to a network or internet. In other words, I can say it's one kind of a service. It's present at remote location. Cloud can provide services over network, that is on public networks or on private networks, that is WAN, LAN or VPN. Simply you know that wide area network, local area network, metropolitan area network, and also VPN, virtual private network. Then what is cloud computing? Cloud computing refers to manipulating, configuring, and accessing the applications online. It offers online data storage, infrastructure, and application. In other words, cloud computing is basically a collection of different services provided by different companies. The cloud can provide a wide range of functions over the internet, such as storage from virtual servers, virtual applications, authorization of desktop applications, etc. Top cloud companies in India. First one, Google. Google is one of the top cloud companies in India because it offers services like Suite, which includes Google Docs and Gmail, along with other business tools. Google Drive is an example for cloud concept. 1. AWS, Amazon Web Services, provides a wide range of products and services for enterprises, startups, and government agencies. Microsoft Azure, it offers a full range of cloud computing services from infrastructure to software development. IBM Cloud, this provides an extensive set of on-demand cloud solutions for business and governments. Next one, Oracle Cloud. Oracle's cloud platform offers developers an easy way to build applications on top of their technology stack. Basic concepts of cloud computing. There are certain services and models working behind the scene, making the cloud computing feasible and accessible to end users. These working models are deployment models and service models. First one, deployment models. It defines the type of access to the cloud, that is how the cloud is located. Cloud can have any of the four types of access: public, private, hybrid, and community. First one, public cloud. The public cloud allows the systems and services to be easily accessible to the general public. Public cloud may be less secure because of its openness. Example, email. Second one, private cloud. The private cloud allows systems and services to be accessible within the organization. It offers increased security because of its private nature. Community cloud. The community cloud allows systems and services to be accessible by group of organizations. Hybrid cloud. The hybrid cloud is a mixture of public and private cloud. However, the critical activities are performed using private cloud while the non-critical activities are performed using public cloud. The second one, service models. Service models are the reference models on which the cloud computing is based. There are three service models. First one, IaaS, infrastructure as a service. Second one, PaaS, that is platform as a service. Third one, SaaS, that is software as a service. First one, infrastructure as a service. A cloud computing model that provides on-demand access to computing resources such as servers, storage, networking, and virtualization. Because of its speed of deployment, IaaS is a quick and flexible way to build up and take down development and testing environments. Examples of IaaS include Rackspace, Amazon Web Services, Elastic Compute Cloud, Microsoft Azure, Google Compute Engine, and Joint. Second one, Platform as a Service, PaaS. A complete cloud environment that includes everything developers need to build, run, and manage applications, from servers and operating systems to all the networking, storage, middleware, tools, and more. PaaS permits developers to build, test, debug, deploy, host, and update their applications all in the same environment. Example for PaaS is Google App Engine, AWS Elastic Beanstalk, OpenShift, Salesforce, Apache Stratos. Software as a service. Software as a service or SaaS is a cloud-based method for providing software to users. SaaS users subscribe to an application rather than purchasing it. Once installed, users can log into and use a SaaS application from any compatible device over the internet. The actual application runs in cloud service that may be far removed from a user location. Examples for SaaS includes Netflix, Google Workspace, Gmail, Hotmail, and Outlook, and many more. Benefits of cloud computing. You can access applications as utilities over the internet. Computing allows for the storage of information on remote servers instead of on your personal computer. This means you can access your files or data from anywhere at any time. Next one, you don't have to worry about you having enough storage space or dealing with hardware failures. In addition, there is no need to worry about backing up your data because it will always be available on cloud. Cloud storage is much cheaper than traditional hard drives because there is no need for high quality hardware or physical space. Manipulate and configure the applications online at any time. It does not require to install a specific piece of software to access or manipulate cloud application. Cloud computing offers online development and deployment tools, programming runtime environment through platform as a service model. Cloud resources are available over the network in a manner that provides platform independent access to any type of clients. Cloud computing offers on-demand self-service. Resources can be used without interaction with cloud service provider. Cloud computing is highly cost-effective because it operates at higher efficiencies with greater utilization. It just requires an internet connection, and it offers load balancing that make it more reliable. Then what is load balancing? Load balancing is the method of distributing network traffic equally across a pool of resources that support an application. What are the risks of cloud computing? It is the biggest concern about cloud computing since data management and infrastructure management in cloud is provided by third party. It is always a risk to hand over the sensitive information to such providers. Next one, lock-in. It is very difficult for the customers to switch from one cloud service to provider to another. It results in dependency on particular cloud service provider for service. Insecure or incomplete data deletion. It is possible that the data requested for deletion may not be get deleted. It happens either because extra copies of data are stored but are not available. Disk destroyed also stores data from other tenants. Next, what are the characteristics of cloud computing? Cloud computing is a revolutionary and complex way of building, deploying, and managing IT infrastructures. First one, on-demand self-service. The cloud computing services does not require any human administrators. Users themselves are able to provision, monitor, and manage computing resources as needed. Broad network access. The computing services are generally provided over standard networks and heterogeneous devices. Here, the network covers a wide area, and heterogeneous devices refers to different platforms devices like Linux platform or Windows platform or Mac. Next one, rapid elasticity. The computing services should have IT resources that are able to scale out and in quickly and as soon as needed basis. Whenever the user requires services, it is provided to him and it is scaled out as soon as its requirement gets over. Resource pooling. The IT resource examples network, servers, storage, applications and services present are shared across multiple applications and occupant in an uncommitted manner. Multiple clients are provided service from a same physical resource. Multi-tenancy. Cloud computing providers can support multiple tenants like users or organizations on a single set of shared resources. Next, virtualization. Cloud computing providers use virtualization technology to abstract underlying hardware resources and present them as logical resources to users. Resilient computing. Cloud computing services are typically designed with redundancy and fault tolerance in mind, which ensures high availability and reliability. Flexible pricing models. Cloud providers offer a variety of pricing models, including pay-per-use, subscription-based, and spot pricing, allowing users to choose the option that best suits their needs. Security. Cloud providers invest heavily in security measures to protect their users' data and ensure the privacy of sensitive information. Automation. Cloud computing services are often highly automated, allowing users to deploy and manage resources with minimal manual intervention. Sustainability. Cloud providers are increasingly focused on sustainable practices such as energy efficient data centers and the use of renewable energy sources to reduce their environmental impact. In next sessions, we know more about cloud computing concepts. Thank you. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and like button.